Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to enable the speedometer in the Waze app. If you want to see your current driving speed directly on the map, this quick tutorial will show you how to turn it on. First, open the Waze app on your phone. From the main screen, tap the menu icon, then select Settings. Next, find and tap Speedometer. Now, turn on the option called Show Speedometer. Once enabled, Waze will display your current speed while you're driving. You can also adjust additional options, such as showing the speed limit and receiving an alert when you're speeding. Choose the settings that work best for you. Then go back to the map. The speedometer should now appear while you drive, helping you quickly check your speed without leaving the Waze app. And that's how to enable the speedometer in the Waze app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other helpful tutorials.